Ọtụtụ ọmanụ ụmụ ọdịnala Igbo, share the links. I am sorry for coming a little bit late from the scheduled time. Yes, I'm so sorry about that. All because of tight schedules, but for the fact that I already promised that I will be here live, that's why I'm here. So n'oge awa nke eziokwu, abụ m onye isi nchụaja ọ mụrụ anọ n'isi n'oge awa nke eziokwu n'ụbọchị taa bụ Eke. A sị na taa bụ Eke ya eketara anyị ihe ọma ma kepụrụ anyị ihe ọjọọ. A sị na akakaka ya amaghị na jijiji ya amaghị. A sị m na ọfọ na ilo na-asị na-egwu ana na ọfọ n'ogu na onye ọnya nwe mkpuchi. A sị m na ihe anyị amara anyị amaghị. A sị m ihe ọma dị n'elu ya dara anyị na ọdịnala ya pụrụ anyị ome ka ụwa were anya ha wee fụ. A sị m onye echeche ihe ọjọọ ya eme anyị ya ma onwe ya. A sị m na ụbọchị ihe na-aga okporo ụzọ ụkwụ anyị apụ anyị ama na ọ pụgoro anyị ama na anyị ejecha abata maka na ọkụkọ na-akpacha na be onye nwunye nụ na ajọ ọfịa ma na-aba onye nwunye. A sị na anyị ga-adị ka echi maka na echi adị agwụ agwụ. A sị m ihe ọma na-emere anyị n'aka ndị na-emere anyị n'aka ekpe maka na adịghị ụka ibe ya na ọ na-agụ akwa, ọ na-agbawa obi. A sị m na nche anyị emenata anyị n'ihu maka na nche adịghị eme odogwu. A sị nọ n'iru ka anyị ga na-aga maka na oke enwe bụ n'iru ka ọ na-ama. A sị m ihe anyị eri bịa ihe eri anyị bịakwa na. A sị m na isi fere anyị na-atụ ufere na ufere ya amapụ ya ọnụ. A sị m onye si akwa anyị acha na mpama ya bara nke ya. Ise aka m bụkwa onye nke gị Ogbuefi EZE-ANA Ugochi tubelu na oraifite. N'ụbọchị taata bụ Eke, ihe anyị ji wee bịa bụ ihe niile ị kwesịrị ịma, all you need to know about your spiritual associates. You can call them ndị ogbanje, you can call them ndị otu, whatever name you choose to call them. The most important thing is that they have links, they have common goals. They have some certain things in common with you. That is why they are your associates. I'm a kowalage. Here I debate here today. Are they for good or are they evil? A lot of people share many experiences or many opinions concerning this. But today, the bandage will fall. I will explain to you what all you need to know about these people. Now, before I go niru, don't forget that our monthly ritual of June is still ongoing. We will round it up on the June 19th. We do saraka and rest of them. People will drink and eat. After that, don't forget again that the one of July, people have started booking the one for July. And again, don't forget that on the 29th of June is a day set aside for us to appreciate our fans and the top fans. Yes, this June. So, after listening to our message, like and share. You can get me on my social media handles. We are in YouTube, we are on Instagram, we are in TikTok, we are on Facebook page. The same name remains the same. Ogbuefi EZE-ANA Ugochi tubelu na oraifite. Then my WhatsApp number remains the same. 0805 7837 672. Consult me for your spiritual consultation, AFA, and all other spiritual works. So, this is our video. We will try to use simple English to do this our lecture today. A lot of people want us to be using simple English so that our friends in Cameroon, Ghana, and the rest of other Africans then will be able to join us and understand this message of hope, calling upon all African children to come back to our roots, because our African tradition is so good and it is life. Because if you understand African tradition so well, you will understand that African tradition encourages you to always show love to every human, irrespective of their religion. That is why in Africa, we Africans, African traditional religion, allowed all other religion into Africa. We never discriminate. Unlike what we are seeing among the foreign religions trying to divide. It's never so in African religion. African religion accommodate everyone. That is the pure devotion method set aside for mankind, because it's called ordinana. It has been there. The method of worshiping the Almighty has been there from generation to generation, ages. So, in talking about our topic today, what is ogbanje? What is all your spiritual node, your spiritual group, your spiritual partners, your associates? What is their primary core? What are they really? What is really mission? Are they for good or are they for downward, pulling you down? The answer is they are for good. They existed. Why they are here, helping you, showing you love, showing you their presence, coming to you even in dreams, is because they want you to survive massively here on earth, so that the purpose of you coming here on earth will not be in vain. But funny enough, because of teachings of this foreign religion, we have demonized them. The way we were misled to demonize them, the way we are misled to demonize our ancestors. They are never evil. I'm proud to be an ogbanje. Yes, I'm proud to be an ogbanje. Remember, there is ogbanje are too many. Example, there is ogbanje spiritual water spirit ogbanje. There is ogbanje of the earth. We call it ogbanje nuana. Yes. So that's why sometimes when we are doing complete spiritual work of settling the water people, once we do finish settling the water people, including the spiritual partner, the ogbanjes, water ogbanjes, and the rest of them, the same day as we are working, before we go home, we still drop at junction the rites and the gifts for the earthly ogbanje. So it's worked that way. So I'm proud to be an ogbanje. I'm proud to be an onyot, having my spiritual associates. These are your friends in the spiritual realm, through friendship, through relatives, and rest of them. Through compatibility in the spiritual realm. And they knew you are coming here on earth for a purpose. The purpose of you coming here on earth could be for the betterment of yourself. Yes, that one is general. Then you can have special assignment. You could be the Messiah, the person that is expected to lift your generation, your family. Some people are even called Yeah, because sometimes if they told you that you are a called one, now sometimes some people might not understand it. The olo apology could be to liberate your own family. It's not a must that when you say or hear that that you are called one, does not mean that you are called to serve the humanity directly. Dr. Yeah? Your calling could be that you are the one that will be an akajiofo of the family. Or even your call could be that you are the one that is called to be akajiak of the family. Because whenever there is akajiofo, there is akajiak. Although some people have dual uh, duties. Yeah, some people are akajiofo and akajiak at the same time. Because where there is akajiofo, yes, there must be an akajiak that will bring in the ram, the bunu, the sheep, and the goats and the fowl and the rest of them for sacrifice. Yes, but it's true. Yes, wherever there is akajiak, there must be akajiofo. Yes, and where is the akajiofo, there must be akajiak. Yes. So in your family, you could be that Messiah your family needed for them to be liberated. So the same thing, yes, you that is watching me, could even be the person that will liberate mankind. That is large number of people, even your race or even your tribe, by your messages, your living, what living, the way you do things. If in fact you can be the somebody looking up to, people will emulate you. So you can even be the person that will heal them, will be their savior in time of need. So everybody is called in his or her own capacity to be a Messiah, either to his family, immediate family, or to the larger society. Now, before you were allowed to be here on earth, your ndot, your ogbanje knows exactly your JD, knows exactly your job description. They knew exactly why you are here on earth and what is expected of you. Now, when you are here on earth and in this world we are living, there's a lot of distractions. Those distractions could be responsible for you. Maybe they can cause negligence and so on and so forth. So being in this world, because of negligence or distractions, it might deviate from the original plan assigned to you. Now, and by so doing, you will not be able to achieve the primary set goals for you in this world. Now, you are not having known exactly what your earthly call is all about. Some of them can be coming to you in the dream. Yes, you can be seeing your ogbanje, you can be seeing your coming to you in dream using different forms. Yes. So their purpose of coming is to draw your attention. There is a reason why you are here. And there is reason, primarily reason for your coming. And there is this particular set goals for you to achieve here on earth. And now they will remind you that, look, friend, you are deviating from that original set goals. They will come to you in harmony for discussions. But because of intellect, over cultivation of the intellect, because you have already deviated from that original plan, you might not get the signal. And once they talk, and notice that you are not getting it, they might start the second stage of disciplining you, whipping you a little, for you to recover your senses and for you to be on your duty post. That is what we call challenges and bulala. They will flog you a little for you to receive sense. So will you now call them evil? Please, they are not evil. Let me cite an example. Our road safety people, are they really evil? No. They were created purposely for maintaining peace, harmony on our roads. Their purpose of creation is to make sure there is harmony. There is no rascality on our roads, that everybody will be safe. So that people that say bye-bye will still say wake up. You get? Now, the same thing with these spirits. Yes, they are spirits. So when their spirits now notice that you are no longer playing according to the rule, like road safety, they will display you. Those time road safety people will now book you, say you should go to bank and pay your penalty, come with the bank notes, then you get your vehicle released to you. Now, or they might decide to give you one punishment or the other as they deem fit. The same thing is exactly what is happening with Yandot and the ogbanje. You understand? So whenever you deviate, be ready to receive their bulala. Like me, how I solve ogbanje people problem is when I notice in your AFA consultation, we do sacrifice to them, and sometimes you abandon them. You don't even remember to pay homage again that these people are your people. So that sometimes you need to acknowledge them by doing some sacrifice to them. To remember, for you to remember where you guys started, that you still have a link with them. And like always say, once you recognize them as their existence and appreciate their work, they will keep doing the work. Maka ndị Igbo na-atụ ilu si na onye agwalụ kwenye tinye n'ọlụ afụkwa ọzọ agwụ ya, meaning to my friends that doesn't understand Igbo, that if you're a type that if you were given advice or tell what to do and you accepted and they put it into practice, when we see another thing in your head, we tell you. So we let you know. So that is exactly what is happening with you and the Andot, your associates, spiritual associates. Once you recognize them, they will never allow you to get misled. Whenever distraction of life is coming your way, they will come and inform you, and they will even remove it from you. So that's why from time to time you need to do sacrifice to them in appreciation. Again, whenever they see that you are deviating from original plan, they can give you small punishment or penalize you. That's what we are seeing. Because sometimes, if people are not seeing challenges of life, believe in me, they will not go and ask questions about their existence and their life. So sometimes they can crumble your business. They can bring so many things. Things will not be moving the way you wanted it. Therefore, you will start saying, maybe not mad in MM, or somebody is after me, or maybe because of evil landlord or evil tenant and evil and this and that. By then, you start asking questions. Believe in me, most of you, if things are really moving the way it should be, today you will not be asking questions. I'm a living witness. When I was in Abuja doing my business and my business moving fine, I never care about what is happening in my family or in my lineage. But when they touch something, the apple of my eye, when they touch something that is so dear to me, what is so dear to you could be your business, it could be your wife, it could be your husband, it could be your cherished business, or even you lost a car, or you lost something, or you lost your mom or a relative that is so close to you. That we should be maybe the genesis of you asking questions. And once you ask questions, you get answers. That is why Matthew 7:7 says, ask shall be given unto you. You must ask questions. And the solution will be given to you. So after listening to this message, share it among your friends. If you want to watch this video in full or all the videos teachings we normally give in Ordinary in full, go visit my YouTube channel, Ogbuefi EZE-ANA Ugochi. We are in TikTok, the same name, Facebook page, everywhere, social media handles, Ogbuefi EZE-ANA Ugochi. Or if you want us to do spiritual consultation for you, Ibafa, send message to my WhatsApp 0805-7837-672. After finish watching this video, please share it among your friends and well wishers. May you remain blessed in the name of the Most High, the creator of the whole universe. Say.